and welcome to Tech School with eevi. My name is Daryl and I'm here to show you how to install the eevi Gateway 4G VoLTE. This is a powerful device designed to provide emergency support to those in your community at the push of a button. The eevi Gateway is plug and play, so it's easy to set up. If at any time during your installation you have an issue, please contact our eevi Care support. Here are a few simple steps to install the device. Let's begin. Step 1. Please ensure you have the completion notice email from the eevi provision team before you begin. If you don't have this, make sure that you have your customer service ticket number on hand and call eevi Care support. Step 2. Determine where the device will be positioned, either in the home or a common area. First, check both antennas are screwed into the ports located at the back of the gateway. Both antennas should be pointing to the ceiling for the gateway to receive a signal from the pendant and mobile network. Both antennas are the same, so it doesn't matter which one is connected. The power cord is plugged into the back left-hand side of the gateway. Great, you're now ready to power up. Step 3, plug the power cord into mains power and wait until all lights appear green on the gateway. Do not use a double adapter or a power board, as this may affect the gateway's performance. Make sure that the location set for the gateway is off the floor and away from water, preferably on a shelf or bench. When all 4 lights are green on the top of the gateway, we are ready to proceed with installation. If after 5 minutes all 4 lights are not green, please call eevi Care support. Step 4. Place the gateway into test mode and check signal strength by pressing the brightness and speaker buttons for approximately 30 seconds. You will hear this announcement.
Test mode is active.
Then press the brightness button.
Cellular signal strength fair.
The signal strength will report as follows: very poor, poor, fair, very good, and excellent. The gateway is to be installed in an area with fair or above signal strength. Once testing is complete, press the cancel button to put the gateway back into service. Step 5. Press the pendant whilst near the gateway. You may need to press this pendant twice to ensure that the announcement is heard.
An alarm has been triggered. The alarm is being set. The alarm has been acknowledged.
This is the validation that the pendant is paired. If you do not hear this sound, the installation is not complete and the step will need to be repeated. This process is required for all pendants and call points connected to the gateway. Step 6. The pendant has triggered an alarm. When the operator answers, advise the response center that you wish to conduct a sound check so you can understand the voice range of the device. As a safety feature, at the completion of the test call, the gateway will have a green cross displayed on the far right, which will flash for 10 minutes. You are not required to do anything with this light flashing. It allows the response center to dial back into the gateway if needed. Your eevi Gateway 4G VoLTE is now installed and operational. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our eevi Care support team or visit our website. We hope you enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having eevi. Care by your side.